What a nice weather! Wow! Hello! Hello!
Hello!
Holy Thursday to everyone. Ang ganda ng weather, guys! Oh my God! Super duper! I love it! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, hubby! Timis for today. Coffee muna, guys. Coffee. Cleansing to, guys. Cleansing. Okay daw to, guys, sa kidney. Black coffee. Hindi ako mahilig sa coffee, guys, pero napanood ko sa YouTube, guys, eh. Tsaka sa Facebook. Kailangan daw paminsan-minsan mag-coffee tayo para madurog yung mga taba, mga kidneys, stone pala, stone, the best. Ay nako, alam na kung saan ang post ko, guys. Kailangan ko uminom ng pang-BP. Alam nyo na kung saan yun. Tataas ang dugo ko nun. What a holy day. Holy Thursday to everyone.